Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing and first impressions video on the Sodastream Terra sparkling water maker. This is one of the newer models from Sodastream. In this video I will be doing the unboxing and covering some of the basics like the price. So this model is a very basic model and it does not include the cylinder, so it's just the device itself, and it doesn't have the cylinder with the CO2 in it, which you also need to actually make the sparkling water. This device cost me 44 euros. It was an offer, and in the link down below in the description you can check a link for Amazon pricing, but it also makes sense to check the local stores and prices in your region, because there might be different offers available. And this price, 44 euros, this was in Finland, in Europe, so in the US your price might be different. These newer Sodastream models seem to all come with the quick connect system for the cylinder with the CO2 in it. The device doesn't need any power, so that makes it easy. It's totally cordless and portable in that sense. This comes with a plastic bottle which is dishwasher safe, so that's good. Some of the older bottles were not dishwasher safe, and you still can get bottles which are not dishwasher safe. So if you get new bottles, it makes sense to get the dishwasher safe ones, even though they are a bit more expensive. This model has a bottle snap and lock mechanism, which is easier to use. I'll show you that in a bit. Some of the models, for example the Sodastream Gaia, which is also I think a newer model with the quick connect system for the CO2 cartridges, you need to roll the bottle in instead of this quick connect for the water bottle, which is very nice. The carbonation button is something which you press down on this device. Some models have a handle, but that's more of a just a design choice and how the device looks like. So first we have some guidance, some manual. Then we have the water bottle, which is a plastic bottle and is dishwasher safe. It has a cap on it, and this model you don't need to screw in the bottle for connecting it to the Sodastream device. Then we have the Sodastream device itself, and that's all what you can find in the box. So on this model you have the flap in this upwards position, and you push in the bottle and then you just push it down, or kind of, well, this would be the way it's standing up straight, so you just push it to the rear and it's fixed. You don't need to rotate the bottle, which is nice. And on the rear side you have this cover with the where the quick connect cylinder with the CO2 comes in here, and this is the button for the carbonation. So it's a very simple device, but it's not that expensive either. So thus far I'm happy with the product, and it seems to be easy to use, and based on my research it's something which I will use for making the carbonated water. You can of course also flavor the water with something if you like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.